Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Android phone. First method, open the app, website or page you want to capture. Next, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notifications panel. Swipe down again to access the quick settings panel. Look through the icons and find the screenshot symbol. Once you see it, simply tap on it. Your phone will instantly capture the screen and save the image to your gallery. Second method, open the app or page again that you want to screenshot. Now, see the power button and the volume down button on the side of your phone. Long press both buttons at the same time and quickly release them. You'll see a flash or animation on the screen, which means the screenshot has been successfully taken. Third method, go to settings and scroll down to find accessibility. Tap on it, then select interaction and dexterity. Now, tap on the assistant menu and turn it on. A floating shortcut icon will appear on your screen. Go back to the page you want to capture, tap the assistant menu icon and select Take Screenshot. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quantum Tech Lab for more easy tech tutorials.